Sound. Try placing your fingers on your throat and then say, ah. What do you feel? That shaky feeling is what we call vibration. Sound waves, just like any other waves, is produced by vibration. Sound wave is an example of a longitudinal wave. It also needs medium in order to travel. Therefore, sound wave is also an example of a mechanical wave. Sound waves can travel in all kinds of medium, such as solid, liquid, and gas. However, since the molecules of a solid object are near each other, sound waves travel fastest in solids. While the molecules of a gas object or a gas are far apart from each other, therefore sound wave travels slowest in gas. The speed of sound is 343.2 meters per second in dry air at 20 degrees Celsius. But this is not constant. The speed of sound changes based on the medium it travels on, or even based on the temperature of the air. What are the different factors that affect how fast the speed of sound is? They are the atmospheric pressure, the relative humidity, and the atmospheric temperature. Sound waves have different characteristics. These are the frequency, the wavelength, amplitude, speed, and period or phase. Sound waves can also be described by its properties. These are reflection, refraction, diffraction, and interference. But most especially, sound waves can be described by its special properties. These are the pitch, the loudness, and the timbre or the quality of a note or a sound. What is then the pitch? Pitch is defined as the highness or the lowness of the sound, or in Tagalog, ang tinis o ang lagong na isang tunog. If the pitch is high, then the frequency of the sound wave is also high. And if the pitch is low, then the frequency of the sound wave is also low. That is the relationship between the pitch and the frequency. Frequency of the sound. Humans can hear within the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Beyond that or below that, humans cannot hear. Ultrasonic frequencies are what we call the vibrations that are beyond the 20,000 Hz. Some animals can hear within this range, while infrasonic frequencies are what we call the vibrations below 20 Hz, which is also cannot be heard by humans. Loudness, the second special property of sound. Intensity is the amount of energy of a sound wave. Sounds that carry large energy have higher intensity, and sounds that carry lesser energy have lower intensity. Loudness, which differs from person to person based on their preference, is related to the intensity of the sound. The unit of intensity of the sound is decibel. It was named after Alexander Graham Bell. The timbre or the quality. of the tone or the tone quality of a musical note. Each note has its own distinct tone or distinct quality or sound. Same thing goes for the different musical instruments. They also produce different quality of sounds. You can distinguish the tone of a piano keyboard or piano keys from the sound of the strum or the strings of a guitar, or even the sound of a saxophone or any wind instrument. That is how your timbre differs from each musical instrument. As an assignment, you are going to perform and answer activity number 1. That is how are sound waves produced.